Why did it stop?
Don't know.
Well, we know the clutch works anyway. Come over that bump, it's pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What's all this for?
Those should use.
No.
Check off.
To hold your back.
Those pull the leads off.
Oh, everybody
Put on the
stopped
brake.
it. Everybody stopped it.
I didn't put on the brake.
I thought about it to drive it.
Yeah, I see you ain't going to get, because I can get one 250 quid off you've been framed.
You wouldn't worry about me being flat, and you just said, look, bloke with limb gets run over by a carrow car. You don't see that every day.
Yeah, so you thought you could send that to Harry, he'll get 250 quid, didn't you, Edward?
What's wrong?
Harry's shed, go shut
Shut door, please, Evan.
Yeah.
Rag as well.
Yeah, this is the clutch T-springs, this one's we.
Oh, right.
See, and we wasn't sure how strong they were. So when it releases the clutch, see that? See the springs going?
I don't. Pardon? Oh, no.
That's funny what you had to sit in there.
They're still recording, by the way.
Sorry?
Still recording.
When you put your foot in the clutch, you're not getting enough. Yeah. Oh no, what I'm saying is you've got too much play there, see? Because you're serving a fuss bearing, they've got ball bearings. Bloody clever idea.
Spanish there, advance and retard, slow and fast run. So it does its job. It's got a cruise control on it as well. No, seriously, it's got a cruise control done with wire down there.
Yeah, VSUs.
Yeah.
I've got the same hot car with the VSU. They're not me.
Have you done on his own?
Having trouble finding the exhaust with a cat on it for that.
Yeah.
The ABA brakes are not very good.
What are you going to get on here for, what are you going to use for exhaust, Mick?
Well, we thought of a marina brake system, see if that...
Oh, what?
Marina. Right now.